This is a short instruction on how to use a hypothesis tool, which is also called the hypothesis scratchpad. This hypothesis scratchpad can help us formulate or write hypotheses. There are two main parts in this tool. The upper one is the terms part. The lower one is where we're going to write our hypothesis. The terms part offers different terms that are related to the topic to learn. The dark blue boxes contain terms that describe relation, such as increase, decrease, is different, etc. They also contain the conditional terms, if and then. The light blue boxes contain variables, which relate to the domain we're going to learn. For example, here is a question about whether the temperature of water affects the amount of salt that can be dissolved. So the main elements to be considered in this situation are listed here in the terms, such as the temperature of water, the amount of salt, increase, decrease, etc. A hypothesis can be made by making a combination of these terms. But you don't have to use them all. Select the useful terms, drag and drop them one by one to build up the sentence of your hypothesis. If the word you need is not shown as a term, you can also create your own terms. You can drag and drop this type your own books the same way you did with other terms, and type in the words you need to make your hypothesis a complete sentence. You can reuse these books by dragging and dropping it again and type the needed words. To change the order of terms, simply drag them to another position like this. You can delete a term by dragging it to the bin here. To add a hypothesis, click this plus icon. By clicking on the bin next to a hypothesis, we can delete it. We can also delete a hypothesis by clicking Erase here. If you did something wrong by mistake, you can also use this icon to undo and use this icon to redo your last change. You can also learn how to use this tool from the information under this question mark. That's all for the instruction of this tool. Thank you for listening.